Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well and fine and enjoying your life with great comfort and peace. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing an innovative blockchain and AI based project named Big Data Coins, abbreviated BDC. This platform introduces a decentralized data marketplace where you can sell your data securely and get rewarded with BDC coin. So first we are going to introduce you everything regarding about these coins. Actually, Big Data Coin, it allows user to monetize their data securely while ensuring privacy, transparency and fairness. The vision is to create an ethical and global data economy for individual and business. As from their motto, their vision is to empower everyone to share their data, sell data, access smart analytics, and building a platform that combines blockchain and artificial intelligence with each other. So now let's move towards the main section of white paper. Here it is the main portfolio of this splendid website Big Data Coins, a named white paper, where you can see from the executive summary that Big Data Coin is decentralized data marketplace which is powered by blockchain and artificial intelligence. It's allow individual and organization to secure monetize their data while ensuring privacy. Now let's introduce this. What is actually about this is, as I have discussed earlier, that it is using blockchain and AI for secure. So now, why now? Why should be it now? It is for growing demand for data privacy and ownership, rising AI uses, no ethical alternative to decentralized broker, and rapid Web3 adoption. So now why there are some type of a problem we are seeing here, and what sort of solution we can analyze for them to be for the accurate transmission of data. Now what sort of challenges? Challenges are centralized control of data, opaque data usage practices, security risk in centralized system, and absence of quality verification. Now what is the ecosystem, how it is going to flow? User can upload its data which will go to the marketplace and which is being then rewarded in BDC, and after validation it will eventually get its profit. And now why it's technological infrastructure, it's based on AI integration, and the most important thing is the data is quality assessed with AI which is quite private and dynamic. Now let's move towards BDC token utility. The BDC token is used for data transaction, accessing premium tools, participation and governance, and the total supply is 25 billion tokens. Here you can see the token distribution. Team Advisor is being awarded 10%, marketing 5%, and the airdrop, which is quite effective, 5%, and the reserve is 20%, IDU is 60%. BDC revenue model circulates on market free place, API access, AI analytics, licensing, anonymized data. All these things there from which they are generating their revenue. The allocation of funds are as follow: 40% for project development, 20% for marketing, and team token vest over 12 to 24 months with a 6-month cliff. With IDO, participants have no lock-up, and post-IDO is 80% of funds. Now let's move towards how the gases are being used, how you will be effectively communicated. In this, individual will monetize personal data and get insight, and companies will buy verified data for product improvement, and researcher which are train AI model with privacy. Now let's talk about their roadmap. It actually runs on 6 phases. Start from phase 0 where the project will be kick off, and the project has been kicked off from September 2024, and it works on blockchain Solana. Phase 1, they has been working on app architecture design, airdrop planning, Phase 2, they will early testing and providing and getting their feedback. And third phase, they will be launch MVP. Fourth phase, and they will be working on launching dashboard and service system. And fifth phase, they will launch SDK and API. In the last stage, they will launch mobile app, list a major CEX. And look at their team members, you can see here. The team is very analytic and competitive. 9 team members, you can see all there. With Faisal Jaber is the founder, and Abdul Rahman Yasser, which includes in the developing section, is working as software developer. And from the security section, you can see end-to-end encryption and multi-signature wallets. Ecosystem is quite phenomenal, works on AI, data firms, academic, or and D labs. And community incentives, they are providing you airdrops, referral bonuses, contributor bounties. Here there is a small disclaimer that join BDC Revolution whether you are data owner, builder or investor. There are some sort of a links is being provided to access you this beautiful website from different platforms. You can access this from the X, Twitter, and also from Telegram, from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. All the links are given in the description. Here is some sort of demo from the Instagram. And look, just final survey of tokenomics here is, and this is the central phase of website, provide you every sort of a links. And now there is the Telegram link is also available. You can access this from the Facebook. Every new update about regarding the app will be provided here first, and you will get every sort of information from here. All the links of every aspect regarding this website is being given in the link in the description. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon to support us. Thank you very much for staying with us.